Garden edibles, garden design. Early spring is an ideal time to jumpstart your garden edibles. Whether you have a large estate or a small condo, you can grow veggies and herbs for fresh salads or cocktails. Cool climate gardeners may be in an in-between stage, but certain tasks can prepare you for planting. A vegetable garden designed with raised oak planters, filled with a soil and leaf compost mix, produces juicy, fresh produce. Selecting what to grow and purchasing seeds ahead of time is crucial. Seed catalogs arrive in January, sparking daydreams and sometimes leading to overbuying. Starting veggies from seeds offers variety. Heirloom seeds are a favorite due to their history, taste, and color. Through years of ordering, a list of reliable seed companies has been compiled, offering an amazing variety of seeds. Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds is a great starting point. Their catalog is filled with beautiful photos and useful information, from a wide selection of tomatoes to unique recipes. The catalog is a great inspiration source. Hudson Valley Seed Library is another top choice, known for its beautifully designed seed packets. One standout is the Tiny Tim tomato, perfect for small balconies. These cherry tomatoes are the size of red currants and incredibly sweet. Amazon and Etsy might surprise you as sources for hard-to-find seeds. Despite sounding unconventional, these platforms offer a wide range of rare seeds. You'll be amazed at what you can discover and grow. Starting seeds indoors in early spring is recommended. Sow seeds inside 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. A warm window, self-watering seed tray, and heating pad can help establish a root system before outdoor planting. Little Gem romaine lettuce from Baker Creek is excellent for containers due to its compact size. Plant it in a stock tank planter, thin the seedlings, and soon you'll have mature lettuce ready for harvest. Preparing your garden bed in early spring is vital. Soil preparation leads to a healthy, productive garden. Clear cool season weeds like chickweed before they seed, and enrich the soil with organic matter to support plant growth. Organic matter such as manure, leaf humus, and yard compost feeds the essential bacteria and fungi in the soil. Vegetables deplete soil nutrients each season, so replenishing with composted leaf humus ensures continued soil health. A tasty lettuce mix from Hudson Valley Seed Library is perfect for spring. Planting in terracotta pots allows for mobility, enabling you to bring plants inside on cold nights, ensuring continued growth and protection. Transplant seedlings into prepared beds. Greens like arugula, beet greens, kale, sorrel, dock, and chard thrive in cooler temperatures. Protect them with a plastic tapis to create a greenhouse effect, aiding germination and protection on cold nights. Rainbow chard, planted in individual cells, is ready for transplanting in early April. Preparing them indoors ensures a significant head start, allowing for a more extended harvesting period throughout the season. For more gardening tips and designs, visit Nick McCullough's Pinterest page. Related topics include aesthetic edibles, growing tomatoes, and cultivating vegetables in pots. Explore these resources for a bountiful and beautiful garden.